Hey guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will guide you all the wide road to install Metasploit Framework in Android, and I will tell you something about this framework. Metasploit is an important and powerful tool used for hacking by means of creating payload-like Trojan. Moreover, in addition to this, I will also tell you how to hack an Android using another Android. Android to Android hacking, of course, by using Metasploit Framework in the next lecture, inshallah. Firstly, what is the requirement? Firstly, you need about 700 megabyte to maybe 800 megabyte, and also to install Termux. So let's get started to install Termux again. Just go to Play Store or Google Play and tap in the search engine Termux, and just type on install the Termux. This epic. Just wait. Okay, installing. Okay. And after installing, just open it. It will automatically install some necessary packages within seconds. Okay, installing. We need to update and upgrade the package of Termux, and to do so you need to type this command apt update and apt upgrade -y. And after update and upgrade the packages, just type package install-installable -repo. Just type package install. Okay, tab or and installable -repo, and just type enter. Just wait. Okay, just wait, guys. Okay, just some few seconds. So all packages are up to that, and now we need to install the Metasploit. Okay guys, just we need to apt and install Metasploit. Okay, Metasploit. Oops, and just type on enter, and the Y for give it the permission, and type enter. As you can see, you need 400 megabyte. Just wait, it will take some few minutes. Okay, I will back after install the Metasploit. Enjoy, guys. Hopla! Finally, after the complete installing, you can run Metasploit by entering or typing MSF console anywhere because the shortcut is created by the script. Just open new session and type MSF console and type enter. Wow, look the banner, great and awesome. Furthermore, if you are probably looking for using Metasploit and creating undetectable payloads for hacking anyone's Android phones, then I will teach you that in the next lecture inshallah. And this is only for educational purpose, and I am not responsible for any missions or harm done. So see you in next part. Enjoy guys.